Do you rely on coffee for energy? Does your day seem incomplete without that mandatory cup of caffeine? What if you could find the same energy boost in the foods you eat? Intriguing, isn't it? Well, it's a reality, and today we're going to explore how to get that natural energy from foods. First, you need to understand why caffeine gives you an energy boost. It's because it stimulates your nervous system and helps you to stay alert. However, there are numerous natural foods that can provide the same effect without the potential downsides of caffeine. Step 1. Start your day with whole grains. Whole grains have complex carbohydrates that give you sustained energy throughout the day. Foods like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent choices. They slowly release glucose into your bloodstream, keeping your energy levels steady. Step 2. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet. These not only provide a wealth of vitamins and minerals, but also contain natural sugars that can give you a quick energy boost. Bananas, for instance, are packed with potassium, which can help to increase your energy levels. Step 3. Don't forget about proteins. Foods like eggs, beans, and lean meats are rich in protein. Protein helps in the repair and building of tissues and also aids in the slow release of energy. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for every cell in your body to function correctly. Even slight dehydration can make you feel tired. So, drink up. Step 5. Finally, include healthy fats in your diet. Foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds are high in healthy fats that provide long-lasting energy. To summarize, getting natural energy from foods is all about incorporating a balanced diet into your lifestyle. Start your day with whole grains, include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals, don't forget about proteins, stay hydrated, and of course, include healthy fats in your diet. Remember, energy is not just about staying awake. It's about feeling good, being productive, and living a healthy lifestyle. So, the next time you reach for that cup of coffee, pause and consider these natural alternatives. They might just give you the energy boost you're looking for. So here's to a more energetic, healthier you. Cheers to a life without the constant need for a caffeine fix. It's time to harness the power of food and feel the difference. Here's to a life energized by nature.